Email verification failed on CoinMarketCap Fix. If your CoinMarketCap email verification isn't going through, don't worry. This is a common issue, but it's usually easy to fix with the right approach. First, double-check the email address you entered. Even a single typo, extra space, or missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy matters. Next, check all inbox folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from CoinMarketCap are sometimes filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you locate the verification email, click the link promptly, as these links often expire quickly. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification link from the CoinMarketCap website. Resending the link solves the problem for most users. Sometimes, the issue is related to your browser or device. Clearing your browser cache, switching browsers, or using the CoinMarketCap mobile app can ensure the email is delivered properly. Email providers occasionally block automated messages. If this occurs, try signing up with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which tend to be more reliable for verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact CoinMarketCap support. Explain that your email verification failed despite checking all folders and resending the link. Support can manually verify your account, so you can start using CoinMarketCap immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps usually fixes email verification issues quickly, letting you start tracking and analyzing crypto markets without delay.